Hello guys, I welcome you all to this video. In this video I'm going to introduce you to video editing app called Inshot. Inshot is a video editing app that you should have if you want to start editing your own video, or you want to start editing for people. So you have to learn. In case this is the first time for you to come across this Inshot, you can want to take you around it so that you will learn all the aspects of what you'll be seeing on this app. So if you don't have it, all you have to do is to go to Play Store. You will download it. Then when you finish downloading it, you install it. Then let me take you to the Inshot app. Open Inshot, it will bring you to this place. In this place there is setting here, all this place. If you go to this place, you want to talk about how to do your video setting, join Inshot Pro. It has a free version. Then you can select here to fill and join, choose any one that you want, and you will continue. But if you don't want to join Pro, you can just use free edition. You are good to go. So this video setting, you can set it how you want. So me, I left it like this, so I normally choose after I have finished. So you can choose your video resolution like 720 or 2K, and also frame, you can choose it. So that is where you do that. Here you can choose the language. Here you click cache when you have started working or using the Inshot. Sometimes you will just go here and clear the cache so that it will give your work your phone free. Then this one is question and answer. If you want to find out about anything on Inshot, you can ask about them here. So you can just learn all the things you want to learn here. Video editing, video transition, merge videos, all this kind of thing. You can find your answer when you go to it. So they also have Pro. You only do all this one, get answer to this one when you are on Pro, and frequently asked question. So you can go here to learn for yourself. So you can also find idea here. From this find idea, you can get, maybe you want to design something, you can from here learn about it, like birthday, text effect. You can from here and get whatever thing you want. So you can also go to intro, cut out photo pump, peep, cut out. All these one you can go there to get idea of what you want to edit. So all these one you can follow them and other things. So we'll go back. Here is a place. This material and see all is where you can also get your idea from. When you click on them, you can get a template here that you want to use to work. Then here is where you can go for your video editing, for photo editing, or for college. If you want to gather many pictures together, you can go to this place. It will take you to where to your gallery, so that you pick as many as picture that you want. Then you choose the layout of the border, you choose them, and you can create your album. So this one is also for photo. So for here now, you can take this new, and you can get your picture to remove background and to do other things. So here is the video where you can edit the video. That's the one that we want to talk about. So when you look at here, I have deleted so many, because sometimes because of space in my phone, when I finish I delete. So here now in the gallery here on Inshot, I have about 245 drafts. So all this one is the one that I have edited. I have deleted so many. So you want to start your new editing, you can go to this new, click on the plus sign, and it will open. So here now I don't want to do more, so that's why I've just used the blank space to teach you what I want to teach. Now this is just the introduction, so I'll click this. So this is the place that I have the blank space that I have chosen. So this blank space now, you can change some things on it. You can change the background and the color of this thing. So just follow all these things that I'm showing you here now. All these things here. This is a blank space. I can change background, change the color, change color, and other thing. Can put all these one depending on what I want. So let me just leave it at the black. So you go to a background to do all those ones if that is what you want. So here I will first of all teach you, this is canvas. Canvas is where you will follow to select the size depending on where you want to upload your video. So if you just want it to fit in, so you use this fit, you can go to this one is to one, that's the square, the one that you can use on Facebook. Then you can use this one, you can go to this one for YouTube, all this for TikTok, this one. So using taking this canvas, the measurement will help you to know not to when you are finished editing, wherever that you want to use the video, it will fit in when you want to do it. So we'll go back. That's for canvas. Then this one is for music. From here you can choose music, go to gallery and choose music, or you can go to effects, or you can record. This recording is just a voiceover. You click on it and you start recording whatever thing you want to record. So this is sticker. Here you can get sticker, any sticker that you want to add to your video depending on what you want to do. You can from here get your text, type whatever thing you want to type, and type it on your phone, which I'm going to take one after the other to teach you. And here too there is still detail. This one here, you use it to cover, maybe you want to cover face of somebody when you are showing a video, or you want to cover maybe password, whatever thing. So you use this detail. When you use it, it will highlight the particular place you want to cover, and you will cover it. By the time we start, I will show you all this one in detail. Then all these this doodle is to show you arrow. These are the arrow in case you are doing a video for teaching, you are teaching people, and you want to use all these things to mark where you want them to look at. Maybe let's use this one. You select this one, you select the color red or white. Let's select white because it's on black background. Then you point it, so which means when you put it like this, that person is focusing on this particular place you are pointing at. So that's what this one is for. So you can also edit it. You can go here to edit it, maybe to make it move loop. You now choose this one, you see it will be moving another thing. So all these I will teach it in detail when we start. You can also delete it and you go back. So here is test. This place you can go to test. You can type anything you want to type. You can choose color. This is the color. You can choose color. You can choose how you want it to be. All this place, use it to choose all this place. Use it to choose how you want it to be, or the color. You can still change the color and everything here. So here is the font. Here you can choose the font that you want, and also here you can choose here to position it. either for it to be a center or for it to be by the side or by this other left side. So you can also give it transition. From here you can choose how you want it to enter or how you want it to go out, or all these ones. So you can choose all these place here on the test. So that is what that is for. So here is filter depending on what's there. I did not put any picture or video. I would have used all these ones. So you can give this thing, use it to give effect to whatever thing you want to do. So when we start, I will teach you all these things one after the other. This one is AI effect. This AI effect too. Use it to select how you want, or maybe you can clone. Maybe there is picture here, you use this clone it to give it online or whatever style and select. So remember that I'm just taking you around the Inshot app. Then filter, can you use all these place to filter, to adjust, and all this the kind of thing that you can choose for your filter. You can adjust all these thing, you can use it for your to adjust your video or adjust your picture. So that is for here, filter and adjust. So all of them are under filter. So PIP, this is picture in picture in picture. Maybe you watch a video, you see them having two videos in the same place, so you can use that one to put on top of. See, the one at the background is a video, then I'll have another video here. So that's the kind of thing they use when they are telling news and they show some place where another news will be showing. So you see, when you come to this PIP, you can edit, you can trim, you can delete, you can animate, how to enter, how to go out, filter, you can mask, cut out, then use Seroma, you can blend and other things, volume and everything. So by the time we start, I will teach you how to do all this one after the other. So you also have duration. You can use it to choose the duration. Is for here is 6.4 seconds, so you can increase it. And when you increase it, you come here, you see that here has increased. So that's what you use the duration for. So here you go to split. So this split now, maybe there is a place you want to remove, you can use this split to do that. Like here now, you see there is this blue thing here and I want to cut off the other side. I can just split it and I will delete this side. So that's what you use the split for. Of course, you know about deleting. And volume here, so you can use this place to remove volume, either to increase or to remove. This one is because it's a blank space, it has no volume, so that's why the volume is not showing well. I've talked about background. Then speed, you can sometimes you see some people finish with their video, you see that their video will be fast forwarding. This is where you choose it. Use it there. You want to, if you want to fast forward video, use this speed. You can reduce it. When you reduce it, it will reduce, and if it will now start talking fast or start moving fast, because you have compressed it and make it to be faster. So this speed is for making your increasing or reducing your video. Then you can also animate when you have different video here. Maybe if I bring in another video, if I bring in another video here, so I can use that one. I can use this animate to put how I want it to enter, how I want it to go out, combo, how I want it both in and out at the same time, and loop another thing. So all this is place that you can select and see how it is. Maybe I want it to enter like this, or I want it to go out like this, or I want it to be like this. Just anyone you choose, you check it another thing. So that is how you do it. So we can also crop, use crop. this crop to crop your video. So here now I want to the video you want to crop, that's the one that I will choose. So if I want to crop this video, I just highlight it and go to crop. Then from here I will know how to crop it. Can just bring it like this, and I will click good. Then I have crop it. So that's how to do it. Then this opacity is to reduce how it shows. Maybe you don't want it to be sharp, you want to reduce it to be clear. You can use this opacity to reduce it and make it to look like a background. So all this thing, the video effect, can use this video effects for how you want it to be. All this kind of thing, the voice, maybe you want to change the sound or that thing, you use it. So that's it for them. So you can also replace, use this replace to replace that video. Now I can replace it by putting this one there. I have replaced it, you will not see that one again. I have used the replace to replace it. Then also I can duplicate. Let me duplicate the first blank space that I put here. I will just click on the duplicate. I have duplicated it. So if you want to, maybe you want to make change on a video, you can duplicate it, or you want the video to go continue or be longer than you want it to be, you can duplicate, or you can increase it. And you duplicate so that you can put transition or animation. So that's how to do it. Then you can also reverse. When you are reversing, is that you want the video to start from the, like this one, and today motivation. If I reverse it, it will now start from the last one. It will start from the last one to start playing before to the first one. So that's how to do it. So if I want to rotate like this, rotate now, if I click highlight here and want to rotate, you see this one will now rotate. Look at it, is rotating depending on how I want it. So that's what that rotate means. Then flip, you can use it to, if something was facing one side, you can make it to face the other side, like this, you see it. So, and this freeze here, sometimes you are watching video on Facebook or other place, you see them talking while nothing is moving. So you can use this place to freeze on your video. You use this place to freeze. So when you freeze, it will bring out a particular place for you and make it a still photo. So you see that even if it is playing, it's not moving, it's not talking, it will just be there until you reach this place again. This place will start talking again. So that's how you can put freeze. So that's it. So there are still other things that I will teach you. So I will be bringing my video one after the other so that you will understand everything about it. And here up here is to save. So I told you before that you can set it or you can choose it at the end of the video. So me, I normally choose it here. So when I'm done, you see that this is 69.6 megabytes. So I want it to come down. So I can choose here and take it to 720. You see that the size are reduced. I can also use the frame rate and choose 24, and you see that the volume of the video has reduced. So you can also use here to select whether it's MP4 or GIF, depending on what you want. So that is how to do. After you have finished selecting, you can now go ahead to save. So that is all about the Inshot. So from now on, I am going to be taking everything one after the other and show you clearly how you can edit your video on Inshot. Thank you for watching.